Welcome to my show, your show, our show. As you understand there, this is Black Daddy, your only Agbalagba in a young body. I'm here with you. This is my show on Talk Your Own, Make I Talk My Own. As they go, as they hot on the Gallery TV. You don't know what I'm laughing at. Because I bring you the Obonge beautiful baby. My only sugar berry. What is your identity? Let my people know that.
My name is Anoluwapo Felicia.
Anoluwapo Felicia. Can you just imagine the name? Anoluwapo Felicia. You know that is original. You know that is original.
Yeah.
As it, it's not just because I want her to just sit down with me. There's one particular talk that is biting me inside. Is biting me. But as it is now, I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry because I don't understand why teacher will beating students because parents have not paid money. No, just use your own thought mind to judge this matter.
Why students have been beaten?
Yes, because the parents have not paid money. It's not good. Should I say it's borrow me English I can use?
It's bad.
It's bad.
Yeah.
And Olua said it's bad.
It's very bad.
And me too, I believe is bad. If there's any other English that can use to qualify bad, kò dá náà ni kò dá ń jẹ́. Because I can remember this particular topic that I bring today is something that make me remember that there was one time like that I was beaten because of lesson fee.
It's not even school fees.
It's not even school fees, so it's lesson fee.
How much, please?
300 naira.
Can you imagine?
It's 300 naira. It now make me to go and steal somebody money.
Are you serious?
It make me to go and steal somebody money to the extent that they now caught me. They now caught me because me I don't know how to steal money. I just see the money, the site that they used to send me message. I put the money inside. They now got so good. The person now send me. He now said that go and buy bulb for me. I just I put that money inside the sack and I put it at the back of the door. So me going on the way, I was like, Ọlọ́run ti bá mi ṣe mo ti rówó lesson sọ for the second time. As I come back, then I say, thank you, so that I can go. On my way, I'm happy that I'll pay my school and my lesson fee. So I just say, check this sack. So as I was putting my hand inside, I could not find the money.
So another person stole it from you.
I don't. That's where I don't know. But in my mind, my mind said, you better go back and go and apologize because the owner of the money have picked the money back. And I had to go back to the house. And I said, Uncle, I'm the one that take the 300 naira. And I said, why? Why will you do that? I was like, it's not my fault. So it's the money they asked me to pay for lesson that I did not pay. And because they beat me 15 stroke of cane.
15.
Yeah, am I the one to pay? This thing is paining me. This thing is paining me. But I don't want to.
Sorry.
I don't want to cry. Because it has stayed and they beat me that cane. It's still paining me up to now. But I don't. Must they beat the student because they have not paid?
You know what I think now is, nowadays, I don't think most private schools, they don't really beat students again. I'm not so sure about the public schools. But for the private schools, most of them, they don't beat students again. But looking at why teachers beat students for school fees, they probably do that because they need money to run the organization. But I don't think that is enough reason. I think there are other ways you can make known to the parents of the children that they are owing apart from beating them.
They are doing that one now in public because they will write letter or kind of send message to the parents.
Yes.
But in our tiwantiwa public, it's not like that. So if they will beat you as the letter to your parents.
I think that is something we need to correct.
I don't understand.
Because I don't think that there are better ways, you know, to relay messages to parents than beating. You can send them these teachers. They all have the details
the platform.
Of the parents.
They are supposed
so
to have
they can send messages to them. They can even give them maybe printed out messages to the students to give to their parents to remind them.
The teacher will say
or at
they
work.
don't buy data for them. Abi they don't have buy airtime for them to call the parents. That if they beat the student, then you remember.
Then they can print it out in a paper and give it to the students.
The grown-up one.
Yes.
The grown-up one.
You can do that since they don't want to tell, or you tell the children to tell their parents. And as worst, when they come in the morning, the teachers can send them back.
This is public school.
I don't think it's better to send them back.
You can beat me if I did not do your homework. Teacher, you can beat me if I fail your test abi exam. You can beat me. That one I did not dispute. But beating me because I have not paid my school fees. Am I the parent? I'm not the parent.
So are you expecting them to go and beat your parents? I'm not sure.
If they have to beat my parents,
they should beat your parents, and you'll be looking at them beating your parents.
I don't know the agreement they have when they want to put me in the school.
Okay, what I think is the parents are giving you, but for a parent to decide to send his or her child or what to school, it's a privilege for that child. Now, there are some times where the parents might not, as at that time, be able to afford the school fees. Do you understand?
But they should understand. The teachers should understand that the parents cannot afford that money at that moment.
I understand the part you're coming from. But sometimes they have to, you know, keep reminding them that, look, before you even say that you want to send out a child in school, you will have reminded them before, maybe like 2 or 3 times before that. Your school fees or the school fees of your ward or child is remaining this and
they will not remind. They will not, as long as I'm concerned. When I was in school, they did not remind us. They will just say, pay your school fees, abi pay your lesson fee, especially that lesson fee. They are specialized in that one because I think that money is for the public school. I think that lesson fee is for the teachers. Is their own. They beat nonsense out of students because of that lesson fee. I don't understand. The thing is, yesterday I sleep. I could not sleep because this thing is coming to my mind like, why must they beat the students?
Yeah, I think there should be some kind of regulation.
Before we come back, let's just go for a break so that before we come back, we will have seen some things to adjust this conversation. Because me, I'm angry.
Don't be angry, Big Daddy. You're Big Daddy now.
I'm not Big Daddy too.
Big Daddy.
This thing has happened. It has happened. Let's go for a break.
In life, you can never be too sure who to trust. This is the story of Mrs. Ungazi. Mrs. Ungazi just wants to use the ATM.
Good afternoon, Mama. Let me help you out with your withdrawal. You don't need to stress yourself.
Thank you, but I can handle it myself.
The man is just being kind, right? He just wants to help, right? Wrong. All he needs is a good look at the pin. Will he succeed?
I want my IG fans. I say, sorry.
Do not share your card PIN with anyone. Keep your account information private and ensure no one is watching you while you enter your PIN. UBA, Africa's global bank.
Welcome back again. Welcome back. Don't forget, you are still on this matter of the teacher beating student because of school fees. Do you know that story that I tell you that time? Since then, if anything lost in the house, they'll call my name.
Because you've done it before, you can always
because I've done it because they don't even know why. The reason why I told them the reason why I took that money. of which I did not I could not establish the stealing finish. I could not finish the stealing because I take the money to school.
You
I
have
paid the if they call me thief that time, I know that I'm thief officially. That I'm thief. But I did not even.
Maybe God was using that incident to teach you a lesson.
To teach me a lesson. Am I who caused it in the first place? Okay. Is it not the teacher?
The teachers are just doing their
because they are doing their own to frustrate students to go and misbehave.
No.
Because it's the game that they came me that make me to go and misbehave outside.
Yeah, I don't encourage beating too. In fact, beating is a form of physical child abuse.
It's child abuse.
It's child abuse.
Whether it's physical.
Even as a parent to your children, even though the Bible told us that we should not spare the rod, but it has a limit. When you beat your child too much, it can be regarded as physical child abuse. So these days, I think there should be some kind of regulations, like government regulations against beating children. There are better ways to discipline a child. There are better ways to to relay messages to the parents.
Which way do you think that it can be?
Yeah, let me start for private schools now. For private schools, technology is advanced now. Most schools now, they have WhatsApp group chats.
Those ones they are paying for the data. Who will pay for data for public?
And that's what I'm starting with. I'm still starting with the private now. So for the private now, such messages like the school fees, can be given to them on the platform that please pay the school fees of your children. You can remind them.
That one,
and also
message.
You can even message them, and you can also give the children, the
form of
price in the form of letters to give to their parents. And then if they decide not to pay again, then you can, chase them in the morning before the assembly.
You even know the funniest thing. You see, students that the cloth have tear, they will not beat them for that one. They will not beat you because of this money. What is it that is this money of a thing that they call one thirty no one in gbogbo
money is important actually.
Money is important.
But the Bible says the love of money is the love.
And it's okay.
That is not good, but it is important.
If they now like the money pass the student they want to teach, because that means if they are teaching, their mind will be in the money. They let me just teach these people. If there's opportunity to just wipe the month, abi that session to just move kia so that they will collect their money. But
I think you make a valid point there. That's when the main objective of you working
is the money,
and not you don't have passion for the job that you're doing. That's why passion is very, very important in whatever you're doing. I think.
Should I just tell you something? The thing is, I noticed that all the Montessori school of nowadays, the way they teach those students, if you like it. In my time, that I did not have the privilege to watch TV, to watch all those things that we are watching. Those children are learning from that TV, the music, the every song they are singing.
Yeah,
we did not sing though. That time, if you sing, when you come back from school, you sing. They'll say, "Show me any and that is not even changing anything. It's not changing anything. But we just go on break now. Let's go on commercial break. Then when we come back, we'll discuss. I think we have a message.
In life, you can never be too sure who to trust. This is the story of Mrs. Ungazi. Mrs. Ungazi just wants to use the ATM.
Good afternoon, Mama. Let me help you out your withdrawal. You don't need to stress yourself.
Thank you, but I can handle it myself.
The man is just being kind, right? He just wants to help, right? Wrong. All he needs is a good look at the pin. Will he succeed?
I want my IG fans. I say, sorry.
Do not share your card PIN with anyone. Keep your account information private and ensure no one is watching you while you enter your PIN. UBA, Africa's global bank.
Welcome back again. I think the message we have on Twitter, Oluwatobi says, he has encountered the kind of problem that I've encountered. He has made somebody go and steal somebody money because of payment of school fees abi lesson fee. You see that I'm not the only one in the shoe. I'm not the only one in the shoe. Tina Egberemedu abi, what is the name? Sorry, Tina. Okay, she said she liked the way they are doing it these days.
Yeah.
The way they are doing it these days, that is quite different from the one they are doing. That they don't beat.
Most schools don't really beat the students again now.
I think this one is teacher, Mr. T. Mr. T say if they don't beat, they will not remember to tell their parents at home.
I don't totally agree with Mr. T.
Imagine, Mr. T is Mr. T. You must be wicked though. You must be wicked though. Why will you say?
There are several other ways that you can relay such messages to the parents apart from this.
If they are beating, see, so one teacher beat Bashiru. He beat Bashiru. When he's beating that boy, Shokoto Baya, the cane that they used to beat the Bashiru, Shokoto Baya, Peleba.
Even apart from that, you don't know the medical history of
the students.
You don't know there's a lot of things that could. There are so many stories that we heard now about a teacher beating a student that led to something. You don't know if the person is an ulcer patient. You don't know the medical history, and you just decide to beat the child. What if something bad happens? You understand? So I think we should just develop better ways, to relay our messages to the parents of the children without beating.
Till we meet next time. Anoluwapo, you have teach many people with your it's good to have people that are good in the midst of our community like this.
Thank you, I'm flattered.
Me too. I'm tired. I'm tired. Before we go, let me introduce you to our page, which is on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and every Gbogbo Tigbo social media. You just find us on The Gallery TV, on Twitter, everywhere on social media. And if you want to talk to me as well, find me at official_Black Daddy. Till we see again. Thank you for watching. Bye.
In life, you can never be too sure who to trust. This is the story of Mrs. Ungazi. Mrs. Ungazi just wants to use the ATM.
Good afternoon, Mama. Let me help you out to your withdrawal. You don't need to stress yourself.
Thank you, but I can handle it myself.
The man is just being kind, right? He just wants to help, right? Wrong. All he needs is a good look at the pin. Will he succeed?
Oh, to my IG fans, I say, sorry.
Do not share your card pin with anyone. Keep your account information private and ensure no one is watching you while you enter your pin. UBA, Africa's global bank.